Another big day for us in here in Rocket Lab. We were up almost $7 on the day. 124.15 is where we ended the day. A little high in here of 127. Going forward, our first support is going to be the top of this overall structure that's sitting at the 120s right here. Anything outside of that, we're just letting this thing do whatever it needs to do, right? So we're up here close to 125 right now. Obviously, the high that came in here, 127.24, that's our first resistance. Anything outside of there, we're going to be looking at the 130s and then basically just letting the chart kind of tell us what's going to happen after that. To the downside, anything below 120, there's really nothing here until you get all the way down to that 100 psych level in here. Really, it's 105. And then outside of that, not a whole lot of anything until we get down here to this 9-day EMA. We're also going to take a look at ticker symbol ASTS in here on the weekly chart. That's going to be AST Space Mobile. Now, as far as what are we looking at in here with our overall structure, you can see we've kind of been playing with this. So we kind of left this on. We're just going to see what's happening in here. So it looks like this week we are continuing to kind of trade outside of this overall structure. So we're going to be doing some adjustments in here, it looks like, if we end up closing outside of this overall structure in here coming up. So going forward, what are we looking at in here? To the downside, you're looking at that $67 level in here. That's about $7 away right now. Anything below there, you're going to be looking at that 60.95. To the upside in here, we're watching this overall trend line, which is trading at the 76 mark. Anything outside of that, you're basically looking at this $80 psych level in here. And that's also where your previous support and resistances were, and this 9-day EMA. So that's going to be a good resistance for us. Anything outside of there, nothing's really stopping us until we get up here to that 100 psych level, but we're going to see what kind of hiccups we have in here. We're going to kind of let the chart kind of dictate things. So probably right around that 87 or 88 level, probably right around that 95 as well. You're going to have a hard time. So we're going to see what happens in here in ASTS. As far as your implied volatility goes in here, you are going to be looking at an IV rank sitting about 50. You got a $5 expected move priced in by this Friday, by June's expiration, right around a $17 expected move. If you go back to Rocket Lab in here, IV is obviously through the roof. IV rank is sitting at 61, $8 expected move priced in by this Friday. Next Friday, 15 bucks. If you go all the way out to June, it looks like you are trading at looks like a premium about $28 of expected move being priced in. So let's see what happens in here as we continue throughout the week and kind of close out these weekly candles in here and see what kind of adjustments need to be made on both of these going forward. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.